Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. This is for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Para sa gusto mo personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo ko i-follow sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, pwede ka mag-avail dyan sa akin TikTok shop ng mga products na ginagawa namin. Meron akong specific mga bracelet na binibenta dyan na pwede kang may kasama na yung palm reading, guys. Start na natin. This is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's start. Okay. One last shuffle for fire sign. One last shuffle for fire sign. Ay, two shuffles pala yun. Anyway, take only what resonates, fire sign. General love reading. Three of Wands. Queen of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. I feel like you're cutting a lot of people right now. Kina-cut off mo yung maraming tao sa buhay mo ngayon. Or pwedeng ikaw ito nagka-cut off, or talagang kusa lang na nagka-cut off. Kusa lang nawawala or nag-e-end itong connection mo dito sa mga taong ito dahil pwedeng kagagawa nila or ikaw mismo nag-cut sa kanila. But I feel like some of you namimiss mo or naaalala mo pa rin itong mga taong to. I feel like regarding sa iyong career or something na stable sa buhay mo, parang hindi ka sure sa bagay na ito, kung magkakaroon ba ng growth. For some of you, may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo, pera na nawala sa'yo, and na nagdulot ito ng shake or pag-alog pagdating sa iyong stability, okay? And I feel like nag-take ka ng risk or something. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nakaranas ng hindi maganda, maybe may mga scam or pagnanakaw na nangyari or pagkawala. So, some of you may mga naging problem regarding sa career. Alin man doon, or pwedeng anything, you know. Could be anything. But I feel like it's a major shake-up na nangyari sa'yo. So, karinig ako ng eroplano or helicopter. I'm not so sure, but I don't know if you're working sa airport or what. For fire sign, please. For fire sign. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig for fire sign. Person nakakonect with fire sign, please. I feel like you're a very professional person. Kaya nga, pagdating sa mga taong kusang nawawala sa buhay mo, especially kung may kinalaman sa usaping professional or career, syempre, alangan namang emosyon mo yung unahin mo. Diba? So, sa usaping ito, mas ginagamit mo yung utak mo. Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng attachment or ayaw mo. Even though may attachment ka na dun sa tao, pwedeng hinahayaan mo lang sila. Kasi if you need to let go, if I need to let you go, then if you want to go, then sige, go. Go for it. Okay. Okay, wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so sa nakikita natin dito sa person mo, you do have here the Justice card. One more card. This is for your person. Person nakakonect mo. Eight of Swords. You could be dealing with someone who is already married. Or kung married ka dito sa person na ito, you could be stuck in a relationship dito sa taong to. Okay? Either married ka sa kanya or siya ay married sa iba. Okay? Whatever your case is, your person is not happy with that marriage. Okay? Kung siya ay married sa iba, hindi siya masaya sa relationship na yon. Kung married siya sa'yo, hindi siya masaya sa'yo. Okay? This person is thinking about the future, thinking about the Knight of Cups. Okay. Ito kasi magkakaiba yung energy. Some of you, there could be like a new person with the Knight of Cups energy. May new person na parang iniisip nitong person mo na may future sila nitong new person na yon. So, kung ikaw ang new person, either iniisip niya na may future sa inyo, or if siya ay, kung kayo ang magkarelasyon, so iniisip niya, itong new person na ito, may future sa amin ito eh. Parang ganon. So, pwedeng ang tendency, either ikaw ang new person or ikaw yung sagabal doon sa connection with the new person. Nagigets mo? Medyo magulo, ano? Kasi, of course, hindi natin matukoy ang energy dito dahil this is general reading, guys. Your emotion towards your person, yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, you might be the new person here. Kung ikaw ang new person, you love this person, definitely. And I feel like sa ngayon, ang focus mo lang ngayon is yung stability mo, career mo, and yung pagiging professional mo. So ngayon, ginagamit mo nga muna yung utak mo sa ngayon. Okay, so kung ikaw ang new person dito, I feel like you love this person, pero mas mahal mo yung career mo, yung sarili mo muna. Okay, kung ikaw naman yung past person, or ikaw naman yung person na you know, if you're married to this person, nakikita natin na parang you love yourself, you love your career, parang ganon. So, pwedeng wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Mahal mo siya, pero mas mahal mo muna ngayon yung, ganon din, mas mahal mo pa rin yung career mo. And the Emperor is here. Maybe you still care for this person, so nandun pa rin yung pagkikare mo sa kanya. And nakikita mo yung mga pinagsamahan ninyo, yung friendship ninyo, whatever na nangyari sa buhay ninyo. Regarding sa mismong relationship, parang anytime it could change, you know. So, kung magka-relasyon kayo, anytime pwedeng magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago sa connection nito. And I feel like you're ready with that. Ready ka kasi you can handle yourself. You are the Queen of Swords, the King of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Ikaw to. So, nasa isip mo, kung umalis man siya sa buhay mo, kaya mo ang sarili mo. That's the energy. Okay, so ano yung emotion ng person na ito para sa'yo? Sana na-gets mo, guys, ha? Page of Swords, you're dealing with someone who's very immature, napaka-immature niya. So, hindi niya alam kung paano i-handle ang sarili niya. Some of you are dealing with a soulmate. So, if you're dealing with a soulmate, I feel like this soulmate wants to have, you know, growth sa connection na ito with the Three of Pentacles. Gusto niya na mas matibay na relationships at connection just in case na magkakaroon ng new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Gusto niya na deeper level of commitment. Kung hindi man ito soulmate and this person is the one na parang, if you are married or in a relationship dito sa taong to, and if there's a new person sa side niya, could be the soulmate one, ay kita natin na parang gusto niya mag-take ng risk doon, pero pwede may pag-aalangan, alangan or alinlangan ba yun? Etong person, kasi masyado siyang immature eh. Siya mismo sa sarili niya, parang ang hirap niyang nahihirapan siyang intindihin ng sarili niya. In the future, you do have here the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Wands, Seven of Cups, the World, Five of Wands. Okay. Kasi magkakaiba yung energy. Some of you in the future, if you're dealing with a person na ikaw yung new person dito, no? I can see a new beginning sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Okay? Kung ikaw yung new person sa kabuhay niya, makita tayo ng new beginning sa inyo. The Seven of Cups, this person is like daydreaming and alam niya na sa sarili niya kung ano talagang gusto niya, and that is you. Okay? And I feel like with the world, pwede maging open itong person na ito sa'yo. Okay? If you're in a relationship, I feel like you still love this person in the future, but pwedeng magkaroon ng big change dito, especially alam mo naman na yan na parang anytime pwedeng magkaroon ng pagbabago itong connection na to. Nakita tayo dito ng malaking pag-aaway that could cause this Four of Wands, and nararamdaman ko yung energy ng reversal. So, Four of Wands in reverse. So, this could break something very stable sa inyo, which is yung relationship ninyo. So, itong big fight na ito could lead into separation. And the Moon in reverse is here. So, pwedeng ko ano man yung mga sikreto, pwedeng malaman, mabunyag. And the Devil, Capricorn energy, this could lead into unhappy or, separation na pwedeng, the Three of Swords. It could cause a lot of heartbreak and pain, no, sa connection ninyo. So, take only what resonates. Bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo doon kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ka doon. But anyway, hopefully nakuha mo yung reading for you. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.